swear to God, if they pushed that corner and you had that pistol out.
I had to swap to mine because I was fucking empty.
What did you have when they pushed that corner? What did you have out when they pushed that corner?
Oh, I had the pistol out.
Why? Right, let's fucking go. Let's go. Let's get out of here.
You deserved that.
He did. He did indeed.
Fucking pistol. Dude, there was like 30 of them. You didn't have enough rounds.
Only 4 of them pushed me.
Hope that hurt.
I had to.
That was the same fucking spot.
I know.
Sorry,
I was going to say, we dry fire.
Whoa,
Oh, the fucking gas off of that,
fucking
Jesus.
violence, trying to blind us.